In order to understand how PIGET works, we are going to see how to access files on a Raspberry Pi from a computer. You need to install PIGET to follow this tutorial. This is an automatic installation, so it shouldn't take you long. You can also see how to prepare your Raspberry Pi in these other videos. Connect to your Raspberry Pi. /pi/start. If you want to share files on a Raspberry Pi, we need to install Samba module. With Samba, we can share files using Windows File Sharing, which is available on all operating systems. First, we will see how to access PIGET script and settings. Then we will see how to access all the files on your Raspberry Pi. To install a module on PIGET, type /pi/install name of the module. Type /pi/install Samba to install Windows File Sharing. Samba is installed, but for now we haven't shared anything. Type /do/samba/sharePiget to share files on PIGET. During install, a default password was created. This is the same password than the one for the terminal, Raspberry. We are going to change it. Type /do/samba/setupPassword, then enter your password twice. Beware, it will not be shown on your terminal. To access your Raspberry Pi, go to Windows Explorer and click Network. Then click on the Raspberry Pi name, here madnerd. Type your username, Pi, and type your password. If you see an error messages, this might be because Windows has cached a previous password. You can either close and reopen your session, restart your computer, or open a command line as administrator and type net stop workstation. Then net start workstation. We now see three folders: boot, PIGET, user. Boot is the folder where you can store small files. This file will be available directly from your computers when you plug the SD card of your Raspberry Pi. At the top of the screen, we can see the files on the SD card. At the bottom, the same file, but from the Windows File Share we have created previously. We can use this space to create a text file which will explain what your Raspberry Pi do. This can be useful if you find an old SD card and don't know what's on it. Type /pi/logBook to automatically generate a report. We can now open it from network with any text editor inside boot logBook.txt. Or directly on the SD card on PIGET/logBook.txt. Let's see what's inside PIGET folder. This one contains all the module script. If you go inside Samba, you can see all the scripts to control it with PIGET. You can also easily modify how it works, but keep in mind that if you update your Raspberry Pi using /pi/update, all change will be lost. We'll see in another video how to save and share modification on GitHub using Git module. Settings are saved inside user. This folder is used to store all your personal files, whatever the size. The configs folders contain the settings of all PIGET modules. The script folder is empty. You can store all your scripts here. And this ends our tour of PIGET folders. Later on, we will see how we will use these folders. Now we will see how to access all the folders of our Raspberry Pi. Keep in mind that this will make your Raspberry Pi vulnerable, so do this only on your home network and if you need it. We'll see how to disable sharing. Enable shares only when you need it. To share all folders, type /do/samba/shareAll. You now have access to all files on your Raspberry Pi. There are other settings available, like shareWeb, to access /var/www. You can share your own settings on github.com/pigetnet/samba. We'll see how in another video. You can also read an automatically generated documentation on this module. Finally, when you don't need to have access to your Raspberry Pi files, type /do/samba/shareNothing. This ends this quick tours of Samba. Keep the settings on /do/samba/piget if you want to learn how to use it. Later on, we'll see how to control LEDs, buttons, and how to use them to keep an eye if someone is accessing your Raspberry Pi.